Hello everyone, this is Chef Sabina. I'm here at Motherland Kitchen in Hagerstown, Maryland. We are now officially open. We have been providing healthy, tasty food in Motherland Kitchen, Frederick, for 4 good years. And the city of Hagerstown decided to collaborate with us to bring the food to the downtown area. We are now on 55 South Potomac in Hagerstown, and we are providing the same services that we gave to the city of Frederick. What is good about Motherland Kitchen? Motherland Kitchen stands for healthy, tasty food. We serve and we educate and we make sure that the food that we give you heals your body. So, what are some of the foods that we serve? We make sure that you have your vegetables from breakfast to lunch and dinner. Here in Hagerstown, we have veggie omelets. These omelets have tons of vegetables in them, from the spinach to the onions to your bell peppers. And we also have sauteed shrimps. We have scrambled tofu. So if you are a vegan, come in and enjoy the seasoned scrambled tofu that people who are not vegans would not believe that this is not an omelet dish. It tastes that good. We also have tons of vegetables for lunch, your greens, your cabbage, your eggplant, your zucchini, your mushroom, and your peanut butter tofu mushroom stew, which people love, especially vegans. So we offer a lot of vegetables which we think people should add to their daily meals. This is foods that you would eat on the continent of Africa, but those who are not left out are vegans. You would also eat the fufu. We have 10 different types of fufu, and we'll tell you which ones are high on the glycemic index and which ones are not, so that if you are someone who cares about your sugar level, you stay away from the fufus that have high sugar and eat those that are moderate or low in sugar. So come in and enjoy Africa in Hagerstown, Maryland. Thank you.